Hey guys, I'm back with part 2 of the most amazing swap from Miss Julie Ann. And again, the links to everything will be in the description box below. It's a swap I did with Amy Love in her group. And the link to Amy's group will also be in the description box for you guys as well. And Amy's continuing to do swaps over there, so please go over and check it out because they're lots of fun. So this is part 2, and then we have the egg carton itself, which was what the swap was. But we're going to open these last few little packages here. This package, Julie had posted some laces that she dyed on Facebook, and she had the most beautiful lavender laces, and I said, what color was that? And she said it's the deep violet from Dylon, which you guys know. I've used Dylon dye before. I love it. I highly recommend it. But this came out the most beautiful purple colors, and I don't have a lot of purple laces, so it's fun to dye them. And she had an extra one of these and she sent it to me. So Julie, I really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much for that. And I will get at that soon. But I'm very excited to do some lavender laces to add to my stash. So I really appreciate that. And look at, she has sent me also some beautiful napkins, which who does not love these? Oh, and the beautiful roses. Look at these. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These are like a tissue almost. They're folded. Wow, look at these. Very cool. Oh, it's a napkin. She folded it. Very pretty. I love the roses. Thank you so much. Of course, I won't fold it the same way. Wait a minute. There we go. I think. Did I do that wrong? Probably. Okay. And then there's this one with the beautiful roses on it. Oh my gosh, you sent me so many. Look at all of these. Look at the bunnies. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. I love bunnies. Oh, look at that. What a cute little winter scene. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, look at the hedgehog. So cute. Look at that. Fantastic. I love that. And then there's some butterflies with some lavender. Some hearts. Look at the little wintry squirrel. These are fantastic, Julie. Santa. There's two Santas. Two different Santas. Oh my gosh, look at the fox. I love that. Oh, just adorable little snowman with the birdhouse. Another beautiful snowman. I don't have any Christmas napkins, so these are amazing. Fabulous. And look at this one. Super pretty. I could use this, decoupage a box, and then dye the laces and add that. Wouldn't that be pretty? Why didn't I fold that correctly? What did I do wrong? There. I think I got it. Thank you so much, Julie. And there is just an abundance of chocolate in here, which I have to hide from hubby. Easter Bunny Lolly. Oh my gosh. And I don't know if you guys know, but candy from the UK is like gold. It tastes very different than the candy we have here in North America. It tastes better, in my opinion. So this is like amazing. And there's some eggs. And there's all these little chocolate bunnies in here. So yes, you have stocked me up for my crafty chocolate hoard. Thank you. And this is a bag. So let's see what's in here. And she's made this out of the tissue paper. She's made a beautiful little package here. Looks like she made a bag. That's very cool how she did that. And what is in here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's candy. Oh, look at these. Oh, those look so good. Crispy hazelnut. Oh my gosh. Yes, please. I will be having some of those later. Thank you very much. All right, we're down to the main event now, guys. The egg carton. And I'm very excited. I'm very excited about all of it. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. And again, she's wrapped it beautifully. I think I'm going to use my scissors. Where did I put my scissors? Oh no, I'll use these ones. I have lots of pairs of scissors. Everything was wrapped so beautifully, Julie, and I'm just in awe of everything. Oh my gosh, I have it upside down. Oh, no. This looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. A couple things popped out, but that's okay. I think they fell out of the inside. So this is what came out of the inside. Little pink cabochon and another beautiful little cameo. But look at this, you guys. Oh, Julie, it's beautiful. It needs a little fluff, but that's okay. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that goes there. What does that say? It's a little note on here. I'm 100% true vintage. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Julie. It's beautiful, you guys. Look at the bow. And then she's made on the bottom, she put little doilies and little pearls. She's got this beautiful bow here, and look at this image. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And it's just layer upon layer upon layer of doilies. Look at. And look at this beautiful piece here on the front. And it's just layers of doilies, layers and layers and layers and layers of doilies. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at this beautiful vintage butterfly here. And this is a really unusual piece here. It's like a resin almost, but it's a flower. I love this image. Vintage is me. I love it, Julie. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I love the little pearls around the edge. Oh, it's just beautiful. There's little pearls there. My gosh, this is just amazing. And she's got little pearls everywhere here. Tiny, tiny little pearls. Like, to take the time to do that, like the attention to detail is just amazing. And I love the cameo. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get inside. I'm afraid to open it. Oh my gosh, how do you open it? Okay. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. I think there's a little pocket here. Okay, this was just there, so. Yes, look at there. There's the top. And she just filled it full of goodies. So I'll put these here because we've seen those. And then she's made a little pocket here with more of that gorgeous vintage trim that she sent me. And inside is a beautiful, this feels vintage tassel. Absolutely gorgeous. And then look at all these beautiful goodies in here. Oh my gosh. And she's altered some eggs. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Wow. I love 12. Look at that. That is beautiful, Julie. These are amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty that is. I'm going to set that in here. And there's another egg. And she's cut a little doily on the bottom, a little ribbon, beautiful ribbon, and another gorgeous cameo there. Oh, these are so cool. I love those. Wow. And then the beautiful crown. Oh, I love that. And then this looks like a little bead dangle kit she's put together. It's got the eye pin and then some beads and dangles, which is great because I am not a very good beader, so this is about all I can handle, Julie. So thank you for that, because I've been wanting to do more beading and I'm just not very good at it. But I will make that for sure. Thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh. And oh, look at these beautiful bows she's made. Oh, I love bows. Look at these. Absolutely beautiful and all in the vintage colors. Like just absolutely amazing. I love, love, love these. There's tons of them in here. Look at these. Just beautiful. Thank you, Julie. And then there's these little, she's got them on bulb pins. Oh, nope, that's the backing. She's got them on bulb pins and it says Dream, and they're tiny little snippets of all her little pearls and the little die cuts that she's used. And this is another one. There's a couple here. Look at these. These are cool. I want to show that actually. Let me zoom back in a bit more. Can I? Yeah. Do I have a piece of paper? Yes. Let me show you these on some paper. These are very cool. That's a little clothespin. That was the flower from the front. So then there's that. These are just absolutely adorable little snippets she's made. I love them. Is that it? I think, yes. Look at these, you guys. So this is a little clothespin, and it's got the tiniest little bow on it. And then these are little snippets she's made. So pretty. Love those. I will totally use those. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, she's got doilies in here. Another beautiful doily. Whoops, and another beautiful doily. And then it's got this lovely resin flower piece. And then this beautiful little lace here on a bulb pin. Let me just set that aside so I can open it up and look at. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And again, it's that very fine netting. This will make a beautiful flower. Look how pretty that will be as a flower. Oh, that's really nice. Thank you so much, Julie. I love that. Oh my gosh, and here's another lace. This egg carton is just jam-packed, you guys. Oh, so pretty. That's vintage for sure. I love that. That's like Lily of the Valley, which is my favorite flower. That's what it reminds me of. So pretty. And there is a ton of little bits and bobs in here. This is a charm she's made. Little angel charm with a lobster clasp. And there's little flowers, little ribbon roses in pink and white and ivory. And there's a pretty mauvey one. I love that color. That's one of my favorite colors, that mauvey color. Let me put that over here in that one. Oh, and there's a little bling. A little pearl bling. Who doesn't like a little pearl bling in your life? Oh my gosh, pretty, pretty beaded trim, which I have none of. That looks like a pretty bow just on its own. And there is a little flower in there as well. Another little white ribbon rose, and then another gorgeous doily. Oh my goodness. And then here we have just more little pretty little bits and bobs. So pretty. And then another little ribbon rose. And then, oh, thank you. I only have one little piece of this left in my stash. I sell it in the store and it sells out so fast I never get any of it. So who can't use this in their personal stash? So gorgeous. And there's a lot of good stuff in here. This is an earring, but look at the bling on that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. There's another little ribbon rose. Put that in there. And there's another charm she's made. Oh my gosh, your charms are beautiful. Let me put those down. There's some tiny, tiny bits in here. Let me see if I can get all those out. There's another doily. So pretty. And then this has bling. Oh my gosh, look at that little bunny right there. So cute. And buttons and bling. Oh my gosh. Amazing. So let me put this all back in here so you can kind of see. These eggs are amazing, Julie. I love these. These are beautiful. So she had one there and one there. I think she had all the bows in here, or the snippets. And I will make this. I will. Love the crown, love the bows, love the tassel, love the cameos. Oops, what did I? Oh yeah, that little pink and white bling. So that is the egg carton, you guys. And I will never get this closed the way she had it. And then that little flower, that goes here. Which it's come a long way to me, so look at that. Oh my gosh, Julie, I cannot thank you enough for all the beautiful items that you have sent me. I've just put them back in the box for the moment, but everything is just so beautiful, and just thank you from the bottom of my heart, because parting with some of those antique and vintage laces is not easy. And I truly, truly appreciate that. But more than that, I appreciate our friendship. I really do. And you are a lovely, kind, and sweet lady. And I know you're far away in the UK, but, you know, you're just one of a kind for sure. And I'm so happy that we're getting to know each other even better now. So thank you guys. And please go over and check out the link to Julie. And support her, because she's just a lovely, lovely lady. And I will be using some of these items in a while. I need to like look at them and pet them and, you know, admire them a bit more. I really appreciate it, Julie. But I also will be doing some dyeing soon too, guys. So I'll share that with you guys as well. Thank you, Julie. I'm off to have a bit of chocolate, and I will see you guys all tomorrow for my live. I have some really fun things to share with you guys tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Bye, everybody. Thank you, Julie. Thank you, girl. You're awesome. Bye for now.